Hi, everybody. Red River Valley School Division got some great news about Google Meet, some updates that has been happening over the last couple of weeks. You probably noticed these coming in, and you may have been using them. First one is Breakout Rooms. A lot of you have been asking about this. I know this is a feature in Zoom that a lot of people really enjoy. And if anybody's worked in Teams, they also have Breakout Rooms. So Google Meet has finally added that, and it's right up here under activities. You can click on that and you'll see Breakout Rooms. All you got to do is click on Breakout Rooms. We have 2 rooms available. You can see I got Lori and Gordon, or Josh, I guess his name is. All you basically have to do is just drag them into a room, and that's what. So I'll put these 2 in here, and if obviously you're going to have more people, maybe as students, or if you're in a meeting, those of you that are administrators, you want to have a meeting with your staff, you could actually have little breakout rooms here. And then what happens is you just go down here and hit the create. Let's see if I can do it out here. So it's going to let me. There we go, create. I had my little thing in the way there, but creates the rooms. And then of course, as the moderator, I can go in there and join a breakout room if I want, and you'll get a notification you're in certain breakout room number 1. I believe you can also edit these breakout rooms. So if I go down here and edit breakout rooms, I can give this breakout room a name. So you could give it a name maybe of a certain topic you're talking about. So there's lots of things you can do here. So please feel free to check these out, the breakout room. So the other thing we wanted to talk about, get out of breakout rooms here, is down here in their settings, right here, is something called Whiteboard. Open a jam. You can actually click on that. It'll open a whiteboard for you, interactive. These can be shared with your students. As you can see here, it automatically pops up anybody that's in the meeting, and you just send an invitation to them, and you can now work on a whiteboard together. So that's another interesting feature that has been added to Google Meet. Jamboard has been around for quite a while, but they've just integrated it into the whiteboard, or integrated into Google Meet. All right, so there's another one that you can do. I won't get into how Jamboard works. I think I did another video on this a while back, but Jamboard's really neat. You can actually put in multiple screens. It's very similar to a regular whiteboard, and people can use the different tools along the side here. I won't go into great detail, but you can add pictures and all sorts of things. Okay, last one is right over here is to turn on blur. So sometimes what you need is the blur. So I'm going to put myself up here, and you can see right now that it's blurred. The background's blurred. I'll try that again. I'll turn off the blur and turn it back on again. Kind of nice if you have stuff in the background you don't want people to see, or maybe you're working from home and it's a mess. It's a great idea. What Google Meet's endeavoring to do down the road is they want to put in virtual backgrounds. So this is just the starting point of that. Watch for more virtual backgrounds that you can actually add right into your Google Meet. Okay, that's it for now. Have a great day.